Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's get started. Right click on Hello World folder and go to New and then Python file. Call this file anything you like, but the extension .py has to remain. So by convention, all Python file should have this py extension. Don't forget that is very important. So let's go ahead. Now let's call up this project panel by clicking here and write our first Python program. Simply type print all in lowercase, open and close parentheses, and inside this parenthesis, add quotations. We can either use single quotes or double quotes. Now, in between the quotes, write your name, or you can write anything. Okay, I believe you have done so. Good. Now, this is the first program that you have written. Congratulations. With this piece of code, you can print whatever you have written on the screen. Now, to run this program, go on top of the menu bar and click Run. Also note that there is a shortcut associated with this command. For me, every time I write codes, I always use shortcut because that increases my productivity. So, it's asking you where you want to run this. Click on App down below. You should see this little terminal window into your program. So here you can see our results, output of the program that you have just written. Congratulations. In future, as you learn more about Python, you will be able to build big applications that have a graphical user interface or GUI. For now, that is a little bit complicated. So for now, we are going to use this little terminal window to see our results for our program. So as you can see, my name is printed here. Now, as you print your code, this window might get in the way of your work. You can always resize it or minimize it by putting the cursor here and dragging it up or down. So this is our first Python program. Congratulations again. Now, if you didn't see the results I showed you in this video, use the comment box below and tell me what the error you encountered. I will do my best to help you move forward. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.